Here's how to upload your contacts in 1 minute with easy texting. Log into your account and click on Contacts in the left nav. Select the All Contacts option at the top, and then on the Add Contacts button on the upper right. You can add individual contacts, upload a CSV, XLS, or XLSX files, or copy and paste contacts directly. For this example, we're going to drag and drop a CSV file. Once uploaded, map your fields for easy grouping and personalization later. The only field that is required is phone number, so make sure that one is correct. Hit Continue, select or create a group, tick the Terms and Conditions box, and then finally hit Continue. We'll check for invalid numbers, opt-outs, and duplicates during processing. If everything goes well, you'll be brought to the Upload Complete screen. And just like that, you've now uploaded your contacts in 1 minute with easy texting. Try it free.